Hi, in this video I will show you how to add money to PayPal account. So the process is pretty simple. So if you want to add some money from your bank account on your PayPal, you can follow this procedure. So first of all, you have to log into your account, and once you will log into your account, you will see screen like this. Also, you will see a menu on the top. If you are on the mobile device, the procedure is same for both, and once you will do it, now you have to click on the wallets, and in the wallets you will see link a card or the bank. So first of all, you have to link your card or the bank account with the PayPal. Once you will do it, you will see on the third option like add money. You have to tap on that, and after that transfer the money or add money to your PayPal. Simply you have to enter the amount you want to in your PayPal account, and once you will do it, your money is here. So this is the procedure. Right now my card or the bank account is not connected because this is not my official account, but if you want to do this, you can simply follow this procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.